Finding the courage to change, daring to be myself. All my life, I've been a people pleaser. I don't want to rock the boat. I don't want to hurt feelings. I don't want to create a scene. Just tell me what you want. However, I've also got a stubborn streak, so I can be a brat about getting my own way. I take off on my own without discussion. I isolate. I argue. I pout. I manipulate. And I resent. So I ping-pong back and forth between feeling the urgent need to change and resenting that I'm doing that. I notice how unstable I am. I'm looking outside of myself for approval. When I do that, I'm standing on quicksand. How do I dare to be myself? How do I serenely face anger and frustration without falling into my old people-pleasing habit? I managed this trick with one person by finding a feeling of I don't care. I gave up trying to please that person and focused on accepting them as they were. I want them to be happy. I care about that. But making someone happy is an impossible thing. I can't change enough to make another person happy. That's the quicksand. I can allow them to have their own feelings without trying to fix them. I can accept them unconditionally. I can also remember that they can't make me happy. I have to reach for my own feelings of happiness and worthiness. I can care more about reaching for my own feelings of happiness and worthiness. I can dare to feel good enough. I can dare to be happy. I can dare to be my true self.